Please click on the subscribe button for more videos and the bell icon for the notification. Hello YouTube, this is Speed Freak and we are at Rajpipla, a town near the Statue of Unity where you could get hotels to stay. So we have got a hotel, we changed and now we are heading towards the Statue of Unity. It's about 25 kilometers from here, so should take around 25 to 30 minutes. Guys, as you can see, the road work is going on. If you see on the Google map from Ankleshwar, you could see it's a single way. A single road, but it's not like that. Most of the place it's already a double road, like a 4-lane road and not a 2-lane road. So, and most of the places the road is done. The marking is left. Some places, like a kilometer or two in between. You have just 2 lanes where the work is in progress. So probably the roads are good, so you should reach here in 8-9 hours if you don't take too much breaks. We left Pune at around 4 in the morning and with one breakdown of 1 hour and 2 breakfast breaks, it took us 10 hours to reach. So we reached here around 2:15. Yep. So hopefully if you reduce that 1 hour, I think 9 hours is a pretty good time. We were cruising at around 100, 110, 120 and that's why we were able to get here in time. And as you can see, as soon as you reach Ankleshwar, you start seeing the boards of Statue of Unity and the markings. So the work is in progress. Even the guest house owner told us that the work is in progress at the site as well. It might take some time. So there was some confusion. The arrow was showing left, but I guess that is also a way. But a localite told us that this is the shortest route, and I see most of the vehicles going from here. So probably that's a 4-lane road and this is a 2-lane road. That's why.